How to add Delta Financial on MetaMask application. Are you guys facing issues to add Delta Financial on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon and click on search bar and search for Delta Financial. In order to add Delta Financial on MetaMask, just check this box. Now tap on next. You can see the option for import. Click on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Delta Financial will be added in MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add Delta Financial on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.